Welcome to the fascinating world within. Our bodies are intricate structures, marvels of nature's design. Holding everything together are the unsung heroes, the connective tissues. These remarkable tissues are the glue and the scaffolding, providing support, protection, and much more. Imagine a bustling city. Connective tissues are like the roads, bridges, and buildings that keep everything connected and functioning. They are found throughout our bodies, from the tips of our fingers to the depths of our organs. Connective tissues are essential for our survival. They bind different tissues together, creating a cohesive structure. Without them, our bodies would be fragile and vulnerable. Connective tissues come in a surprising variety, each tailored to specific tasks. Understanding these tissues is key to appreciating the complexity and resilience of the human body. Just as a city boasts diverse infrastructure, our bodies contain various connective tissue types. Each type possesses unique properties and functions. Firstly, we have loose connective tissue. This tissue, found beneath the skin, acts like a soft packaging material. It holds organs in place and provides a pathway for nerves and blood vessels. Next, we encounter dense connective tissue. This tough and fibrous tissue forms tendons and ligaments. Tendons connect muscles to bones, enabling movement, while ligaments hold bones together at joints. Cartilage, another type, provides smooth surfaces for joint movement. It also forms our nose and ears, giving them their shape and flexibility. The human skeleton is a testament to the strength of bone, a specialized connective tissue. Bone provides structural support, protects vital organs, and stores essential minerals. Finally, we have blood, a unique connective tissue in liquid form. Blood travels throughout the body, transporting oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells. Connective tissues play multifaceted roles in our bodies. They are the unsung heroes that keep us functioning. One crucial function is support. Just as beams hold up a building, bones and cartilage provide the framework for our bodies. Protection is another vital role. The ribcage shields our heart and lungs, while the skull safeguards our brain. These bony structures exemplify the protective power of connective tissues. Connective tissues also play a crucial role in transport. Blood, the fluid connective tissue, carries oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body. It ensures that every cell receives the resources it needs to function. Furthermore, connective tissues contribute to insulation. Adipose tissue, a type of loose connective tissue, stores fat that helps regulate body temperature. This insulation is particularly important in cold environments. Section 4. Connective tissues in action. Real-world examples. Let's witness connective tissues in action. Picture a graceful deer leaping through a forest. Its strong tendons and ligaments made of dense connective tissue enable such agility. Next, envision a bird soaring high above. Its lightweight bones, a specialized connective tissue, are perfectly adapted for flight. These examples highlight the remarkable diversity and adaptability of connective tissues. Consider the healing of a wound. Connective tissues play a crucial role in repairing damaged tissues, forming scar tissue to mend the injury. This healing process showcases the regenerative power of connective tissues. Finally, think about the simple act of breathing. Our ribcage, composed of bone and cartilage, expands and contracts, allowing our lungs to take in oxygen. This vital process underscores the essential role of connective tissues in our everyday lives. Section 5. Understanding connective tissues, our takeaway. In conclusion, connective tissues are the unsung heroes of our bodies. They are the glue that holds us together, the scaffolding that provides support, and the transport system that delivers essential resources. From the flexibility of cartilage to the strength of bone, connective tissues exhibit remarkable diversity and adaptation. Understanding these tissues is essential for comprehending the intricate workings of the human body. As we marvel at the wonders of nature, let us not forget the vital role played by connective tissues. They are a testament to the elegance and efficiency of biological design. Their study provides a fascinating glimpse into the complexity and resilience of life itself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Ifa Learning Center for more educational content.